guys, and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop Internet Explorer from opening tabs or website in Microsoft Edge. So for that, go to Microsoft Edge and now go to this icon for settings and go to settings. Here scroll down and you will see default browser option and select this option which says let Internet Explorer open size in Microsoft Edge and click on never, and that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.